IoT based smart door lock system using biometric sensor, password and smartphone. This circuit diagram, all this component.
Welcome to Instrument Mechanic Trade the smart door system using PIN fingerprint and smartphone.
We can unlock the door using the biometric password and using the smartphone. If you want to enter fingerprint, press B.
Place finger. Fingerprint recognized. Access granted. Door unlock. Door lock. Access granted. Door unlock.
Solenoid lock unlock.
Door lock.
If you want to enter PIN, press A.
Enter PIN.
1, 2, 3, 4. Enter.
Correct PIN. Access granted. Door unlock. Door lock.
If you want to unlock the door using mobile, it is IoT based system.
Door unlock. Door lock.
If the person inside the home, he can unlock the door using a simple button.
Door unlock. Door lock. Door unlock. Door lock.
We have used ESP32 DF player mini switch, charging module, amplifier, 3.7 volt cell, biometric sensor, keypad, LCD 16x2, one speaker and one mobile. Thank you so much.